Your internet activity is being watched by your ISP, by advertisers, maybe even by hackers on that sketchy public Wi-Fi. But there's this thing you keep hearing about, VPNs. Supposedly, they make you invisible, private, protected. But how do they really work? Let's go deep. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. That sounds vague and kind of boring, but here's the core idea. It's a secure, encrypted connection between your device and a server in another location. From there, your internet traffic goes out to the wider web. So, the website you visit, they don't see your actual IP address. Your ISP can't read what you're doing. And random creeps on hotel Wi-Fi locked out. To understand why VPNs matter, we need to understand how data normally travels. When you connect to a site, say example.com, your device sends a request to your internet service provider or ISP. The ISP looks up the IP address of the site and connects you. It also sees everything you do, what site you visit, when, how long. Even if the site uses HTTPS, meaning the content is encrypted, your ISP still sees which sites you go to. Metadata matters. When you use a VPN, your traffic first goes to VPN server through an encrypted tunnel. That means your ISP can see you're using a VPN, but not where your data goes after that. Then the VPN server decrypts your traffic and forwards it to the destination, like Netflix, Gmail, or a sketchy torrent site. From the outside, it looks like a VPN server is the one doing everything. You're hidden behind it. Let's geek out for a sec. VPNs use something called tunneling protocols. These wrap your original data in an external packet, kind of like putting a sealed envelope inside another one. There's also encryption, mathematical scrambling of your data using keys, usually AES-256, which is basically military grade. Even if someone intercepted the tunnel, they couldn't read it without the key. Here's the truth. VPN are great for a lot of things. Hide your IP address, encrypt traffic on untrusted networks, get around geo-blocks, stop ISPs from logging your activity, but they are not magic. They don't make you anonymous. They don't stop websites from tracking you via cookies or browser fingerprinting. And if your VPN logs data, well, now they know everything. There are different VPN protocols. Think of them like different types of tunnels. OpenVPN, WireGuard, IKE version 2, PPTP. People use VPNs for all kinds of reasons. Journalists in repressive countries, travelers avoiding geo-blocks, regular folks just wanting privacy from their ISP. But not all VPNs are created equal. Some log your data, some inject ads, some are free. But remember, if you're not paying for the product, you are the product. Also, governments can pressure VPN companies. Even the best VPN can protect you if you log into your Gmail while doing sketchy stuff. VPNs aren't a silver bullet, but they are one of the most powerful tools in your privacy toolkit. Learn how they work, choose a good one, and use it wisely. Stay safe, stay curious, and don't trust that coffee shop Wi-Fi.